Welcome to our yoga tutorial and thank you for joining us today. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned yogi, this video will provide you with valuable knowledge to help you unlock the incredible benefits of yoga. Let's get started. Section 1: Introduction to Yoga. In this section, we will explore the basics of yoga, including its history, benefits, different styles and classes. We will also provide helpful tips for beginners and address common myths about yoga. Section 2: Alignments and Breathing Techniques. Here, we will dive deeper into the proper alignments and breathing techniques necessary for a successful yoga practice. We will show you how to perform poses correctly, reduce the risk of injuries, and explore the different types of breathwork and their benefits. Section 3: Different Styles and Poses. In this section, we will introduce various yoga styles, including Hatha, Vinyasa, and Ashtanga, and explain what distinguishes each style from the other. We will then show you the benefits of different postures, asanas, and how they can affect your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into the world of yoga and its benefits. Remember, it's not about perfection, so take your time and enjoy every breath and pose along the way. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on health, wellness and lifestyle. Namaste. Be with us. Welcome to the Introduction to Yoga. In this section, we will explore the fundamentals of yoga to give you a better understanding and appreciation of this ancient practice. First, let's go over the history of yoga. Yoga originated in ancient India thousands of years ago as a form of spiritual, mental, and physical practice, intended to bring one closer to their true self or higher power. It was later refined and codified by Indian sage Patanjali in his famous work, the Yoga Sutras. Today, yoga has become popular worldwide due to its numerous benefits for both physical and mental health. Practicing yoga regularly can help you improve flexibility, balance, coordination, strength, and endurance, while also reducing stress and anxiety levels, improving sleep, and boosting overall well-being. There are many different styles and types of yoga, each with its unique focus and benefits. Some of the most common styles include Hatha, Vinyasa, Ashtanga, Bikram, Yin, and Restorative Yoga. Each style has a specific sequence of postures or asanas, breathing techniques or pranayama, and meditation practices. If you are new to yoga, it is recommended that you start with a beginner's class that focuses on foundational poses and proper alignment. You can also benefit from private sessions with a qualified instructor who can provide personalized instruction and guidance. Lastly, there are some common misconceptions about yoga that we want to clear up. One myth is that you have to be flexible to do yoga. The truth is that anyone can practice yoga, regardless of flexibility or fitness level. Another myth is that yoga is only for women or religious followers. Yoga is for everyone, regardless of gender, religion, or belief systems. In summary, yoga is a wonderful practice that has been around for thousands of years and provides numerous benefits for your physical and mental health. By understanding the history, different styles, and common myths, you can experience the full potential of this beautiful practice. Section 2. Great! Let's get started with alignments first. 1. Proper alignment. Proper alignment is crucial in yoga because it helps to optimize the pose's benefits while minimizing the risk of injury. Here are a few alignment tips for some common yoga poses. A. Mountain pose, Tadasana. Stand with your feet hip distance apart, press evenly through all four corners of your feet. Engage your quadriceps and release your tailbone towards the earth. Lengthen up through the spine, relax your shoulders and release any tension in your neck. B. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Start on your hands and knees, tuck your toes under, and lift your hips up and back. Reach your heels towards the floor, straighten your arms, and press your palms into the mat. Keep your neck relaxed and gaze towards your feet. C. Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana II. Step your left foot back, turn it slightly out, and bend your right knee so that it's directly above your ankle. Keep your torso upright, reach your arms out to either side, and gaze over your right fingertips. Make sure your back foot is grounded, and your hips are squared to the front of your mat. 2. Breathing techniques. Breathing techniques, pranayama, are an essential component of yoga practice. These techniques help focus the mind, increase oxygenation, and purify the body. Here are 2 pranayama techniques you can try. A. Ujjayi breathing. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs fully. At the top of the inhale, slightly constrict your throat to create a soft hissing sound as you exhale through the nose. Focus on the sound of your breath and maintain an even rhythm. B. Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. Sit comfortably with your spine straight, and your left hand resting on your lap. Bring your right hand to your face and block your left nostril with your ring finger. Inhale deeply through the right nostril, then block it with your thumb and exhale through the left nostril. Repeat for several rounds, alternating between nostrils. In conclusion, proper alignment and breathing techniques are critical to a successful yoga practice. By paying attention to alignment cues and integrating breathwork into your practice, you will deepen your connection between mind, body, and spirit. Welcome to the section where we will discuss the different yoga styles and postures. Firstly, let's talk about the different yoga styles. 1. Hatha Yoga. This yoga style focuses on basic poses, breathing techniques, and meditation. It is great for beginners or those who want a more relaxed and slow-paced practice. 2. Vinyasa Yoga. This style involves a series of flowing movements that sync with your breath. It is perfect for those who want a more active and dynamic practice. 3. Ashtanga Yoga. This style is a more rigorous and structured practice that involves 6 series of postures. It focuses on building strength, flexibility, and endurance. Now, let's move on to the different postures, asanas, and their benefits. 1. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stretches the hamstrings, calves, and spine while also strengthening the arms and shoulders. It can also help relieve stress and improve digestion. 2. Tree pose, Virabhadrasana. Focuses on balance and stability while also stretching the legs and spine. It can also help improve concentration and focus. 3. Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana II. Builds strength in the legs while also opening up the hips and chest. It can also help increase confidence and reduce anxiety. 4. Child's pose, Balasana. Promotes relaxation and can help relieve stress and tension in the body. It also gently stretches the hips, thighs, and ankles. 5. Corpse pose, Savasana. A final relaxation pose that allows the body to fully relax and release tension. It can also help reduce stress and improve sleep. Remember, the benefits of each posture may vary from person to person. And it's important to listen to your body and not push yourself too hard. With practice and consistency, yoga can have a positive impact on your overall well-being.